Abuja, I want to show you something. Not long ago, I received this package from YouTube. I haven't opened it yet because already I have an idea of what's inside. Because I've seen many people receive similar packages when they reach a certain amount of subscribers. And I will unbox this right here for you to see what's inside in a minute. But I want to give you an update on Gabi Edu-Gyamfi's daughter, Mona Lisa's case first. After we posted the video last Friday, I honestly didn't know the video was going to have the impact it did. But based on comments, messages, emails, and a phone call from Gabi Edu-Gyamfi in regards to what you guys have done, I was blown away by your enormous generosity. In about 5 hours after we posted the video, Gabi called to thank me for using this platform to spread the message of their daughter to get them the help they so desperately need. And then added that after 5 hours, they've received a little over 20,000 cedis, which is around 3,500 euros. He actually didn't even believe it himself that people are so caring and passionate enough to extend a helping hand to him. Before this video, I talked to Gabi to ask how much they received so far. And he said they've received a little over 11,000 euros. That's a little bit more than half the amount they need. And I'm even shocked myself. The idea that a message spread through this platform has reached enough people for them to dive into what little money they have to give 10 euros, 100 euros, 500 euros to save a kid they don't personally know. That till now still blows me away. And that's why the importance of this package comes in. You see, when I started making videos, it didn't matter the video I put out. There was negative comments, insults, hateful messages, and crazy things like that. But today, this shows me that as long as you are willing to put in the work and not quit based on criticism and hate, and if you keep on keeping on, you can achieve any goal. And later down the road, what you are doing won't just help you, but can help others too. And if we are able to come together as a family to contribute to saving a kid's life, then everything we do here, to me, is worth it. And I'm super thankful and super grateful to each and every one of you. But before I open this package, there's this final thing I want to say. There are so many reasons why most of you sent money for Mona Lisa's surgery. Mothers and fathers who knows the suffrage of a sick kid. Brothers and sisters who are thinking of themselves that, what if she was my sister? Friends who just feels that this kid should not go through this because of their parents being poor. And complete strangers who look within their hearts and helped regardless of knowing either me or the parents, because in their hearts that's the right thing to do, and similar stories like that. But one story I want to talk about is what a friend, Melvin, told me that aside helping a sick kid, the real reason he sent his money was that when he looks at Gabi's life, it seems like he just can't catch a break. He was a high school kid who was working as a mate to get his school fees and was involved in a horrible car accident. He was pronounced dead. He was put in the mortuary for 3 days. At the mortuary, he was given a full dose of formalin, a needle with a chemical substance given to dead people, and he woke up from that. He worked for Ghana under the Road Safety Commission to save lives and prevent people from going through what he went through. And when he said something against people that have the power to change things, they let him go, and he lost his job. And the first time he has a kid, he has to find 20,000 euros, money he doesn't have, to save his only kid. So when he looks at all this, then he feels that the cycle must not continue to his daughter. This time, he must catch a break. This time, things must be different. And that's why he sent his money. Personally, I was touched by his reason. And I know most of you have your reason for sending the money too. Now, by the grace of God, they've received 11,000 euros. And is left with 9,000 more to go. The date of the surgery is scheduled for 2 weeks' time. So if you share the belief that upon all what Gabi has went through in his life, his 4-month-old daughter shouldn't also go through similar thing like that. If you share the belief that no kid should suffer as Mona Lisa is suffering because their parents don't have money, then please help this little girl by donating any amount you can to save her life. If you want to help, you can send your money to this MTN mobile money number 024 888 5520. I repeat, 024 888 5520. The name is Gabi Edu-Gyamfi. If you are abroad, you can also send your money through Western Union, MoneyGram, World Remit. The name is still Gabi Edu-Gyamfi. After the last video, most people requested we create a GoFundMe campaign, and we've done that. On your screen is the link to the GoFundMe campaign, and you can also find the link in the YouTube and Facebook video description. And for those who don't know at all what I've been talking about, it's about a 4-month-old little girl who has a condition called hemangioma of the neck, who desperately needs a surgery at Hamburg, Germany. and the cost of the surgery alone is 20,000 euros. So we are pleading with each and everyone who feels for this girl to donate any amount they can to save her life. I know together as a team, as a family, as people, we can do this. The MTN mobile money number again is 024-888-5520. The name is Gebiedu Jemfi. You can also donate using the GoFundMe link in the YouTube and Facebook video description. Thank you. Now, let's see what YouTube sent me. How do you crave it anyway? Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. YouTube CEO. That is the letter. You see? That is the letter. Damn, wow. Can you see? We can be 20 minutes bida. Me kaya do na mani aje. Oh, shit. Avia, jiwe ko dwale na enwem do ka kopegel.
One fire.
So I catch them say award way. Many being less than 2 years here. Come catch you say uditro. And now I have one. I'm holding one in my hand. And it's just amazing. And all that happened because of you guys. Watching, sharing, commenting, and doing all the crazy yen here. Where's that award when Kebo BFA 1 wine? Bedru Capito 1 minutes and my back. Ntino, and Enko BFA, Beboha. Thank you. I'm very grateful. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Abusia, this is a testament that we can do everything we set our minds to. So let's help save Mona Lisa. Ebia peso boa, beskene bini wa. Na na mess run se share video. Ebia betima kwa 2 obia, obetimi aboa akora no. Adios.